Alright, tech enthusiasts, let's talk cameras. Today we're diving into the world of smartphone photography, specifically the Xiaomi 14t and 14t Pro. These two models have been making waves in the tech community. Both phones promise impressive camera setups, but the Pro model boasts some extra bells and whistles for a higher price tag. We're talking about advanced sensors, better low-light performance, and more. The question is, are those premium features worth the extra cash? Is the Pro model really that much better? Let's dive in and find out. We'll compare every aspect of their camera performance. We're going to break down each phone's camera capabilities from megapixels to zoom, and even video recording quality. We'll use real-world examples to show you how these phones perform in different situations. From bright daylight to low-light conditions, we've got it all covered. By the end, you'll know exactly which Xiaomi 14t model suits your photography needs. Whether you're a casual snapper or a serious photographer, there's something for everyone. So, buckle up, and let's explore the exciting world of smartphone photography with the Xiaomi 14t and 14t Pro. Get ready to be amazed by what these cameras can do. Let's talk megapixels. It's a term we hear a lot when discussing smartphone cameras. The Xiaomi 14t boasts a respectable 50-megapixel main camera. Not too shabby, right? It sounds impressive and can capture a lot of detail. But the 14t Pro steps it up with a whopping 108-megapixel sensor. That's more than double the megapixels. That's a huge difference on paper. But hold your horses. More megapixels don't always mean better photos. We all know megapixels aren't everything. Other factors play a crucial role in image quality. Image quality depends on various factors, including sensor size, processing power, and lens quality. These elements work together to create a great photo. So, while the 14t Pro boasts more megapixels, it doesn't necessarily translate to drastically better images. The difference might be subtle. We'll need to dig deeper to see how these cameras perform in real-world scenarios. Only then can we truly judge their capabilities. Now let's talk sensors. The 14t Pro's larger sensor size is a key advantage. It captures more light, which is crucial for low-light performance and dynamic range. Think of it like this: a larger sensor is like having a bigger window to let in more light. We tested both phones in low light, and the difference is noticeable. The 14t Pro produces brighter images with less noise. This is where those extra megapixels come in handy, as they allow for better detail retention even in challenging lighting conditions. Section 4, AI enhancements, software savviness, or gimmickry. Both the 14t and 14t Pro come loaded with AI-powered camera features. We're talking scene recognition, portrait mode enhancements, and even night mode improvements. But how do these features stack up in practice? We found the AI features on both phones to be surprisingly helpful. The scene recognition accurately adjusted settings for different environments, and portrait mode produced pleasing background blur. However, the 14t Pro's AI seemed slightly more refined, especially in low-light situations. Section 5. Zoom zoom zoom, getting up close and personal. Here's where things get interesting. The 14t offers a decent digital zoom, but the 14t Pro steals the show with its dedicated telephoto lens. This means sharper zoomed-in shots with less detail loss. We tested both phones' zoom capabilities, and the results speak for themselves. The 14t Pro's telephoto lens produced noticeably clearer images at higher zoom levels. This is a game-changer for capturing distant subjects with precision and detail. Section 6. The verdict: which Xiaomi 14t reigns supreme? So, after putting both phones through their paces, which Xiaomi 14t comes out on top, it's a tough call. Both devices have their own strengths and cater to different types of users. The 14t offers a solid camera experience at a more affordable price point. It's perfect for those who want great photos without breaking the bank. However, the 14t Pro's larger sensor, telephoto lens, and refined AI processing give it a clear edge in image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions and when zooming in. The Pro model is designed for photography enthusiasts who demand the best. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and budget. If you prioritize top-notch camera performance and are willing to invest a bit more, the 14t Pro is the way to go. But one thing's for sure, both the Xiaomi 14t and 14t Pro deliver impressive camera capabilities that will elevate your smartphone photography game. Now it's your turn to decide which one suits you best. Which Xiaomi 14t camera impressed you the most? Was it the budget-friendly 14t or the feature-packed 14t Pro? Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback is valuable and helps others make an informed decision.